Okay, just a real quick video, man. So if you blink, you're gonna miss it. So this is a 1ZZ FED engine, JDM, straight from Japan. So I've had people ask me, how do you know if it's from a Corolla or a Celica GT or an MR2? Because they all run 1ZZ FED engines. All right, but the ones that you want is not from the Corolla. It's the one from the MR2 or the Celica GT, because they got bigger valves. And it's a stronger motor. It's got, like, way more horsepower, right? More torque. So it's real simple, man. Okay, so these numbers right here, they're not gonna tell you much, man. All right, because it's all Japanese codes, and it's like a fruitless thing to look, man. So if you blink, you're gonna miss it, man. How can you tell? Well, see, this one's clean. This is straight from Japan. You see, this engine only has 19,000 miles. But still, how do I know, man? How do I know? It's a 1ZZ, right? Okay. It's real simple. Okay, so don't pay attention to the exhaust, because that's American. I already converted it. That's off of a matrix, and so is the heater bypass and all that. All that's converted. This is ready to go into my car. All right, I bought it because, like I said, it only had 19,800 miles, man. This is how you tell right here. You see this? See these holes? The Corolla doesn't have that. All right, the Corolla, these would just be, filled up, man, unthreaded. So when you see this, this is for a split axle, dude. The output from the transmission goes to the passenger wheel. Direct axle on the Corolla. On the MR2, right? On the Celica GT, on the one you're looking for with the strong engine, it's got a bearing setup right here that supports the axle. So if you're shopping for a JDM 1ZZ engine, you want something stronger than what you have. That's what you're looking for, dude. Don't worry about all this. And don't look at it and say, well, the guy told me. Look, dude, it's just that simple, man. Come around here and look to see if these are threaded and they were used. Because if they were threaded and used for that split axle bearing assembly, you just found a winner chicken dinner. All right. So anyway, hope that helps. See you later.